Hey, you guys, welcome back to another day in the life of a 47-year-old working wife. Welcome back, you guys. Today I'm going to be making my husband some dinner. So, today on the menu is some spaghetti. Yes. I haven't made spaghetti in a little while, so today's going to be something really quick but good. Okay, let's not get it twisted. Spaghetti is quick, but it's also good. All right, so I'm right here. I am just cutting up some bell peppers. I normally don't cut up bell peppers, but I had some in the refrigerator, so I said I'm gonna go ahead and use these before they get bad. So I ended up cutting up some bell peppers, well, peppers, I guess, sweet peppers, if that's what you want to call them. I cut those up and I diced them up into small pieces. I mean, you can dice yours how you want to dice them. I really wanted some onions, but I did not have any. I don't know why. I thought I had some in the refrigerator, but I did not. So I'm just gonna work with these peppers, honey. And let's get the so y'all, I use some ragu sauce. That's my go-to spaghetti sauce. That's what I've been eating since I was a child, so I stick to what I know. So I don't know about Prego and all the other sauce. I always use ragu sauce, and then of course I hit it again with a little bit of a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder and a little bit of herbal seasoning, and then I just stirred it up. And of course y'all know I put a little bit of sugar in mine. I don't know about nobody else, but I put sugar in my little spaghetti because that's how I was brought up and that's how what I was taught to do. So take that little tang off of there. So now I'm going to get my crescent rolls in here, y'all. Let me tell you, I had a hard time opening up that dang going thing, but honestly, I was opening it the wrong way. But anyway, I finally got it open, and of course, it was ripping all over the place. But those croissant rolls are so freaking good, honey. Let me tell you something. They are so good. So that's what we had for dinner, you guys. And I just threw it in the oven. I don't know how many minutes. I don't know. I just kept checking on it because sometimes those rolls cook super freaking fast if you don't pay attention, and you will have some burnt rolls. So I got the rolls out in time, but guess what? I told my husband to get it out, and he didn't realize I had the front stovetop on. Well, it was off. I had just took the spaghetti noodles off, and he left the rolls, the pan that the rolls was in. He left them on the front of the top and burnt some of the rolls, y'all. But it's okay. Everything was still good. Everything was still yummy. All right. All I did was just cut off the bottom and kept the top. I'm sorry, but that's what I did because I wasn't throwing my crescent rolls. It was only like 4 of them. They got messed up, but it's all good. And, I proceeded to cook my noodles, you guys. And, noodles don't take very long. Make sure you watch it. Don't stir it too much. Don't let it get sticky. Make sure you put a little bit of salt in there, a little bit of oil. I don't know who still does that, but that's how I was taught. Y'all put a little bit of oil in there so it won't stick. Do y'all do that? I mean, I only go by what I see when I was coming up. That's what my mother used to do. So here's the ending results. Here's my spaghetti, and I definitely enjoyed it. My husband did, and, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to hype it up. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, y'all keep watching. And please watch to the end, honey. Y'all make sure y'all watch my videos to the end. I should have said that at the beginning, but I didn't, okay? But anyway, see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.